Hello, Mid-American region. I'm Amy Stack. I am your regional tech trainer, and today I'm going to talk to you about some email edits you can do in Command. I have my marketing kit pulled up for April, but sometimes I have people tell me that they don't really like this little block at the top. I'm going to hit the preview so you can see what that looks like. And some people just don't like how this looks, and that's okay. This is a header that's kind of like a little widget that KW offers as an option for you. And if you don't want to use it, that's all right. In case you are wondering how to add that into something, we have this option right here that says email header, and you can just drag and drop that in. And now I have it in there twice, so it didn't let me do it twice, but I can hit delete here and that will go away. And if I accidentally deleted the wrong thing, I can put that back in there. Oh, there it is. So if you don't like that option, you can click it and hit delete. And maybe you want nothing up there, that's all you have to do. But if you do want a header and you want to do a different one, you can hit this image option, click and hold it and drag it over, and wherever that green bar is where that image will drop into place. So I can go ahead and drop that here. And you can see it opens up all the images I've already uploaded in here. So it's asking me, do I want to use something I've already created, or do I want to add something new? So in my case, let's see. I have one a little further down here. You can see it's been a while since I've used it. Right here that I've already uploaded into Command. Okay, so this is just an image I made in Canva. So you can see I've got my logo, my brokerage logo, my real estate contact information, and my headshot for my production for my business. So that's all in an image that I made in Canva. I'm going to go ahead and X out of that. So if you want to make something like that you can pull into your emails, I've actually created the template for you because it took me a little bit of back and forth to figure out the right size to put in there. So I wanted to show you, one, you can swap this out. You can easily take out that header. You can put in your own image right here if you want. And if you do want to put in an image and you're not sure, what format, what size to use, you can come to canva.kw.com. So you would just go like this. Okay. So you'll go into your KW account. If you haven't logged in a while, it might ask you to log in. It's the same login as your Command account. And it'll take you to your home screen here. And I want you to go to projects on the left-hand side. And you're going to go find our Mid-American region folder. So you can come to the search and you can type in mid- and it should start to populate some new things, but American is what we want. And once you scroll past the designs that show up here, you'll see some folders. I have some different ones than you, but there is one that's Mid-American Region 5. You should all be able to see that if you're part of the Mid-American region. So if you click on that folder, right here, it says Command Designs Email Header. This, I believe, will be view only for you. But you can see I've got a couple of different things in here. This is a headshot without that border on it, and here's one with a circle, and just some header images. So it's all formatted to be the right size for you. When you're in this folder, if you hit these three dots, you should be able to make a copy, and you will be able to edit the copy. Since I created this, I can edit this one. However, when you get to it, it will be view only. So you can go ahead and hit those three dots, hit make a copy, and then you can edit it right inside your own Canva account. You can download it. And then when you want to use it in Command, like I said, you'll drag that image section over. You'll hit add images that time. And you can browse your downloads folder. I don't have one ready to go in my downloads folder, but you would have created it in Canva and downloaded it. It would be right here. We'll just choose a different one. We'll hit open. You'll see it populate. You can select it and hit save, and then it will pop into place for you. And that's how you can update that email header to have any content you want in there, and you can use it every time. So there's my pro tip of the day for you. Have a good one.